My name is Jing Zhang. This video is for class EL6303 homework 6 question 2 to combine. First, given fxy equal to a, x squared plus y squared less or equal to 1. And find a so that fxy is a valid joint density function. That means integral fxy equal to 1. So first we draw the diagram of xy. It's a circle like this. And because it's difficult to integral, so we change x equal to r cosine theta and y equal to r sin theta. So dx dy equal to r dr d theta. Then integral fxy equal to integral ar dr d theta. Theta between minus pi to pi, and r between 0 to 1. And after calculation, we can get this equation equal to pi a. Pi a should be equal to 1, then a equal to 1 over pi. The question B is to calculate these values. First, to calculate ex. Ex equal to integral x fxy dx dy. A should be equal to 1 over pi times integral x dy dx, y between minus the square root of 1 minus x squared to the square root of 1 minus x squared, and x between minus 1 to 1. After calculation, the first part, we can get this equation, and the function of x times the square root of 1 minus x squared is an odd function, so the answer is 0. Then we can get ex equal to 0. Then e of x given y equal to integral x f of x given y dx. X between, from this diagram, we can get x between minus the square root of 1 minus y squared to the square root of 1 minus y squared. Then we can get this formula, and the function like here also an odd function. Then e of x given y equal to 0. Then for every y, e of x given y equal to 0. Then calculate ey. Ey also equal to integral y fxy dy dx. So equal to 1 over pi times integral y dx dy, x between minus the square root of 1 minus y squared to the square root of 1 minus y squared, y between minus 1 to 1. And we can get this formula, and y times 1, the square root of 1 minus y squared, like the last question. We know this is also an odd function, then the answer is 0. So ey equal to 0. Then e of y given x equal to integral y times f of y given x dy. Y between, from the diagram, y between minus the square root of 1 minus x squared to the square root of 1 minus x squared. Then we can get this formula. Also, y over 2 pi times the square root of 1 minus y squared is the odd function. So e of y given x equal to 0. For every y, e of y given x equal to 0. Last value is e of xy equal to 1 over pi times integral xy dy dx. Y between minus, in this part, y between minus the square root of 1 minus x squared to the square root of 1 minus x squared, and x between minus 1 to 1. So we can get this formula, and y, x are all odd function. So this part after calculation equal to 0. So the answer of exy equal to 0. Last question, to prove or disprove x, y are uncorrelated. From the last part, we already know E of xy equal to E of x times E of y equal to 0. So we can get x, y are uncorrelated. So this is the second question. Thank you.